you? And nice to see you. The last video we are talking about beliefs, and today's video we are going to talking about how society shape those beliefs. As we usually do, we have a text, and let's see what the text teaching us today. Society. Society has a powerful influence on the way we think and what we believe. From the moment we are born, we start learning from the people around us. Our family teach us what is the right and what is wrong. Our friend shape our behavior and our environment slowly builds our mindset. As we grow up, we begin to accept many ideas without even noticing. We follow what is normal, what is popular, and what is everyone else is doing. Sometimes we don't stop to ask if these beliefs truly represent who we are. Social media also play a big role today. It shows us how people lives, what they think, and what they believe in. And little by little, it can change the why we see ourselves and the world. But here is the important point. Just because something is accepted by society doesn't mean it is true. And just because everyone believes something doesn't mean you have to believe it too. Real growth starts when you become aware of this influence. When you take a step back and begin to question your beliefs, you start thinking for yourself. Ask yourself, is this really my belief? Or is it something I learned from others? When you do that, you begin to take control of your own mind. And that is how you build a stronger, more independent way of thinking. This is all, guys, in this text. And I hope you are always thinking about your beliefs and ask your beliefs and see if your beliefs truly or not. And I hope you are always change your belief to a strong one. And that is all in this video. See you soon and another time.